Hi, my name is Atosh Guha, and during this week I developed an app called Pixel Runner. It looks like this, and what it does is a racing game. I came up with the idea to make this app when I was thinking of a idea for the end of week project, and I thought I was thinking of sprites would move on the canvas, and I thought, why not make a racing game because it would be cool and unique. And some things about this app, it's graphically well, and it's really simple and it's really fun.
My name is Mason Palmer, and I made a coloring app called Color Time. It helps younger children learn how to color and improve their art skills over a period of time. In this app, you have a variety of colors with the option of taking a picture and using it as a background, or picking a picture off the canvas.
Nolan Clark with the app I made in Android App Design. It is an app for those who go on long trips, bike rides, mountain bike rides, jogs, runs, etc. It's an app that sends a text message to a chosen contact at a certain interval with your location so they know if you're hurt or injured. Okay, so the app has a few basic features. First, you can pick your contact using this button. You can set the interval for the text messaging, but before you set the interval, you need to put your text in. You put your message in. You can either do that by speaking it or by typing it, but it comes with an emergency button in case you do get hurt. You can press that to let them know you're hurt. Several different intervals, and I'm going to send a message to myself at a 1 second interval, which will not come standard. And let's see, should pop up any second now. Yep, there it is. And you can stop the messaging at any time.
Hi, my name is Darlene Parker, and this week at Ghost on Tech Camp in Hartsville, South Carolina, and in Joint Apps class, we were working on making apps, and I made mine out of the week off.
Hi, my name is Sam. This week in my Android class, I coded an app that is a news app. It's called News Central, and what it does is it takes all the headlines from the top news sources and puts them in one app for you to look at. So this is the app. It's called News Central, and you pretty much have the icons for all the major news organizations. We have Fox, ABC, and CNN. So if your favorite news source is Fox, for example, you can click Fox and then hit go, and it'll bring up all of the headlines. And then when you're done, you can hit reset. And then if you have a friend whose favorite news source is ABC, you can click ABC and hit go, and it'll show all of their headlines too.
My name is Maggie and this is Kathleen, and we made a math app using the app Inventor 2. So we used the prefix of app Inventor and we used it, and the app's mainly for to teach younger kids how to do simple math problems. This is our app, and it has 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you press the icon thing to get to the page, and then you answer the question, and if you get it right, the correct one pops up, but if you get it wrong, it tells you to go again. And at the bottom it shows how many you got right. You click this to get another question, and you press the reset button to go back to 0, and you press the return to main to go back to the main menu.
Hi, I'm Vignesh and I made an app called Binky. Binky is a sea sponge trying to get back home by traveling through these dangerous mazes with bad guys, and he has to go through doors to make it to each level. So Binky is right there, and hit the play button. Let me go back and show you a tour. Okay, this is Binky, and this is the main menu of Binky, where you can pick something, and I'm just gonna go on ahead and hit play, or you can, I'm just gonna play Binky really quickly. You can guide Binky through all sorts of... Okay, and at the end of each level, Binky has a door to reach. Once he reaches that door, he goes to the next level.
Hey, my name is Michael Tootin, and I was the essay this week in the Android apps class, and it taught the kids how to program Android apps on their phones, and it taught me as well, because I had never tried to program an app, but I thought it was kind of cool. So this week I made an app called Cockroach Crusher. It's a game where a cockroach crawls across the screen, and you press it, and the more times you press it in a row, the faster the cockroach moves, so it gets harder as you go along. And I'll show it to you. There are free and paid versions of this app on Google and Amazon's App Store, so if you want to play it and check it out, go ahead, feel free.